Right now I got a situation. I'm going to do two things. I'm replacing a part of my F-150 behind me, 2013. The most common oil leak I have is from the oil vacuum pump. Well, guess what? My simple little job got difficult because third bolt that didn't want to come out, it's got a stripped head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a tool I got from Harbor Freight. This bar tool. And we're going to take the head off of that bolt. And we're going to see how well this tool works to put this new toy on. And when we get done, hopefully we have no oil leak. Alright guys, how did we do today with this Bayer 20 volt lithium ion cutoff tool, oscillating tool? It went very well considering here's the bolt that I just cut the head off and the old part. Alright, like I told y'all before, this is going to be a dual review. One about the 2013 F-150 vacuum oil pump, and about the Bayer Harbor Freight oscillating tool. Alright, I started off trying to be smart and use this right here, the diamond plated cutoff wheel. Didn't go very well. So it came with some tools with the kit. I tried this regular old wheel. Guess what? It did the job. Alright, here we go. We got both parts here. And let's see what's going on with this old part. If you look at the old part right here, the inner tube is stopped up. It's got filament, all kinds of stuff in there. And it was leaking. If you look right here, the gaskets on both sides were horrendous, wore out. And that's why I was having an oil leak. Every morning when I drop the kids off to school, they say, "Daddy, your truck stinks, it's smoking." You know why? Because this probe here failed. And that's one of the common reasons why oil leaks out of an F-150, especially the 2013. I think it's the 2012 to 2014, 2015, I don't remember. Who knows? I'm not a mechanic. I'm just an amateur pro here at this camera thingy. Alright, like I said again, this is a dual review. If you see the video twice, it's because I'm talking about two different things. But it's the same video. It's not cheating until you get caught. This is the new one. Now, here is a trick I learned by same way you guys doing. YouTube. You see this little knob right here? Make sure it's identical spot that your old one is. That makes it going in much more easier. Alright? Now, you did the same thing I did. You YouTubed videos on how to fix your oil leak in this vacuum pump here. Alright, what we did is did a search, watch a bunch of videos, figure out how to take it off. You see people taking it off at the top, you see people taking it off at the bottom, you got people taking off the wheel. My advice is, I'm a fat guy, take the wheel off, do it from underneath, but you're going to be spot checking it from the top. My luck, everything went so smooth until I got to the third bolt, which is only held by 3 bolts. And the third one stripped out on me. I couldn't take it out. So that's where this tool came in, and it worked great. I recommend it. It's like $35. You buy this battery here, get the tool free. Hey, the battery's $60. So let's say 30 and 30. Still a winning deal. But back to this part here, we're fixing to put these back on my truck and get it up and running. Now, of course, I have to replace this bolt. I bought this bolt from 3 different places online. Couldn't get it in time on Amazon, so I did eBay, I did a Ford dealership, and I'll probably still end up buying the fourth one from the Ford dealership in my local area because I can't get it quick enough. It takes 2 to 4 days to get it, and I like to have my truck as soon as possible. My wife likes it broke because I ain't spending no money. I sit here making dumb videos. But anyways, like, thumbs up, give me some comments, and thank you for joining Kerry Randall's channel. Thank you.